Hello everyone, Vanakkam and Namaste to each and everyone watching this video. Today we are gonna see about Ardha Halasana half plank pose. Its regular practice can help you preventing the injury in the spine and hips, legs in the long run. Lie down on your mat, back straight in the supine position. Keep your hands straight on the floor beside your hips. Lift your legs in the upward direction. Hold the pose for 30 seconds or a minute. Inhale and exhale naturally. Do not force the breath as it might cause an injury. Keep doing the flexion and extension for around 5 to 10 times. This pose helps you to reduce back pain and strengthen the lower back. People who are unable to do it without a support, they can use yoga belt for the support and try it and hold it for around 30 to 60 seconds and do the same flexion and extension like 5 to 10 times. It not only releases the stress in your legs, and also it cures in reducing the blood pressure, calms you down. It also enhances the awareness of your body and mind. Keep doing the flexion and extension for a couple of times. If you are a beginner, it just massages the abdominal muscles as well, and do the same set in the other leg as well for 5 minutes. Once you become an expert in lifting a one leg fully, now it's time to go for a strengthening mode, lifting your leg without a support. So you can take, if you are just an intermediate, you're just learning it, try to hold your mat and try to lift your leg fully, both the legs fully on the top without any support, and do the same flexion and extension for around like 30 seconds and then bring it back. Do this set for around like 5 to 10 times. And if you're still having issues without doing a support, use the yoga belt for doing it. It helps you to provide a support, also helps you to maintain the posture for longer run, which, as I said, relieves the stress out of your body and the mind. Once you get expert in that, now you are an advanced practitioner. If you are an advanced practitioner, go in the supine position and bring your leg back from down to the upward position 90 degree, and do that set for around like 5 to 10 times initially, and try to practice that set for around 5 to 10 times. It really helps you in reducing your belly fat, strengthening your abdominal muscles, strengthening your core. If you do this practice regularly, you can strengthen your core very easily and you can become very strong. The next set is, you can do this exercise like around from 90 degree to 45 degree. That would be pretty hard, but if you are an advanced practitioner, you can try doing that 90 degree to 40 degree for around a minute. Hold it and keep doing the breathing normally, inhale normally. If you are feeling any pressure, I would recommend to stop it. Observe your body. Once you are completing the practice, go back to Savasana. Relaxation is really important after any kind of a strengthening exercise. Thank you for watching my video. If you think this video added a value, like, share, subscribe.